Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact reflourished version, so you apply the correct update. This avoids mismatches. Once done, make a full backup of the game folder and saves. If anything goes wrong, you'll restore quickly. Then download the official update package or the only supported patcher. Do not mix sources. Your setting up guarantees version alignment, recoverability, and a clean installer so the installation step succeeds without corrupted assets. You'll now install the update. First close Pvz and any launchers, then stop lingering processes in Task Manager to prevent file locks. Next, run the updater as administrator so it can replace protected files. Step through prompts and choose the game folder if asked. Once finished, make sure the updater reports success and compare the installed files to the update manifest or checksums to confirm integrity. This step prevents missing textures, broken mods, or runtime errors. You finish by launching Reflourished in a clean run to confirm the main menu, campaigns, and saved games load correctly. Check mod compatibility if you use mods. If the launcher or game crashes, stop and restore your backup to return to a working state, then retry the update with a fresh download. If problems persist, clear game caches, verify permissions, and perform a full reinstall of the update. This often resolves corrupted partial installs and keeps your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.